Welcome back to this ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day. To close out your Thursday, it's going to be a little bit dicey. We're tracking a low pressure system off to our west that is stirring up plenty of rain chances. That's going to continue to unfortunately increase our severe threat as we continue on through the evening. Future track here shows you that pretty well. 7 p.m. Storm starting to push into our northern counties. It'll be slow moving, and you'll notice that those spot storms going to kind of form into a line. Now, it's a little bit of a different threat. For the spot storms, we're looking at the potential for, unfortunately, some isolated tornadic events, but quickly that will diminish as it forms into this line. Then we're looking at gusty conditions and heavy rainfall, and that's going to be more widespread. You'll notice that line of storms pushes through a good portion of northern Missouri by 11 p.m., approaching Columbia, Fulton, and Jefferson City. It's going to happen between really 10 to midnight, but then we're not done with that rainfall. Early tomorrow morning, this rain going to continue to stretch toward our southeastern counties, and you'll notice a lot more moisture filling in on the back end of that initial line of storms. Cold front, unfortunately, not moving very quickly and allowing these rain chances and instability to stick around. For your morning commute tomorrow, you'll want to have an umbrella and maybe even a few extra times added in because we're going to be seeing this rainfall at least until mid-morning. And then it's not even done there. We're tracking some clearing for the afternoon that's going to allow for yet another round of storms firing up right around dinner time tomorrow. A lot of rainfall with this system. Probably our biggest concern right now is going to be that flooding threat. Across the board, a lot of us can be picking up at least a couple of inches as we continue on toward Friday. And then we have more rain chances tomorrow to pick up even more rainfall. So you can see why we are at risk of flash flooding. And you'll notice a good portion of mid-Missouri at that 20% risk of flash flooding. If you come across that water, turn around, don't drown. But that's not our only concern. Mother Nature is really throwing us the entire toolbox. We've got those gusty conditions along that initial line of storm, 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's enough to do structural damage to trees like we saw on Sunday. Now, hail formation is a little bit less likely, same with tornadic development, but we can't quite rule them out. So a lot to stick with us. Download that ABC 17 Storm Track Weather app because even if you don't use it today, well, you'll use it sometime in the next week as we can't kick these rain chances for the next 7 days.